just a dog, or so I'm told, that's what I'm called. Can someone tell me what in God's name is going on? There are people everywhere that pat my head and scratch my ears. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying I'm a little lost. What is this tree? Why is it here? Seems it just suddenly appeared, and it's glowing as they flow into the room. I listen close to all their songs, they know every word as they sing along. They call it Christmas, I think it's Christmas, but what do I know? I'm a dog. What have I done to earn these treats? All I do is eat and sleep, but they keep piling, and I'm just smiling through it all. Big old bones wrapped in bows, a plate of ham and potatoes, with that honey glazing, ain't it amazing to behold? What's on my head? Why is it here? They laugh and call me a reindeer. I'll be whatever keeps those pinwheels rolling in. I hear my name, I feel a chill. I turn my head and time stands still. If this is Christmas, then I love Christmas, but what do I know? I'm a dog. Is this a dream? I'm overjoyed. It's like the whole world is my toy. I leap and tumble, kick and rumble in the snow. Oh, what a wide and wondrous world. You must be kidding, hello squirrel. If this is Christmas, then Merry Christmas. What a good laugh for a dog.